Hi kids, how are you? So let's continue with political science chapter 2. Now you all know what is diversity, correct? Diversity means the difference in people, that is in their custom, in their culture, in their dressing sense, in their food. So these all differences we call as diversity. Now the name of the chapter is diversity and discrimination. Now let's understand kids, what is discrimination. Now kids, nowadays also you will find there are some people who will say you are rich, I am poor. In olden days there were caste discrimination. Caste discrimination means Brahmins were there, Shrudras were there, Kshatriyas were there. So few castes they were high caste and few low caste. So discrimination was made. Brahmins were thinking they were like very intelligent. Only Brahmins can study, no other can study. Only Kshatriyas can learn weapons and all. So all this are called as discrimination. Discrimination in simple words, if I say, to discriminate means to compare. Okay? To compare, you are rich, you are poor, you are fat, you are thin. We compare normally. You are fat, you are thin, you are smart, you are not smart. So such comparison, that is, we are discriminating means you are differentiating people from each other. Correct? Differentiating people from each other. That is what we call as discrimination. So I will talk about discrimination in detail, how is carried out in our societies. Now as kids, India is full of diversity, means India is full of different people, correct? Because of that, what has happened, you can see in the whole world, if you see in the whole world, there are 8 major languages, and you will find all these major languages in India also, correct? Every all the 8 major languages which are in whole world, that you will find only in India also. Secondly, there are 1600 languages that people speak, means that is their people's mother tongue. Now kid, what do you mean by mother tongue? Means when you are born, the language which is spoken at your place by your father and mother, that is called your mother tongue, which you people follow. So total how many mother tongues are there? There are 1600, or you can say 1600 languages, or 1600 mother tongues. Okay, and there are more than 100 types of dances. Many different dances. Anyone in India which dances are there? Look, I will tell you. Then you will say, oh, I remember Kathakali, Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Bhangra, Garba. Correct? These all are dances of different states. So there are in the whole world, there are more than 100 types of dances. Okay, so see, these are all diversities, but these all diversities you will find in India. Everything you will find in India. So this diversity is not always celebrated, means we don't encourage, like, it is not, when Diwali is there, it is not only Hindus will celebrate, no, it is all the people will celebrate it together, so they feel secure and safe living with each other. They don't feel different. Okay. Now look kids, sometimes if you meet a person who's very different from you, then what you will say? He's a stranger. And sometimes it happens you may make some predictions because you have never seen such a person. You may think he may not be a good person, or any predictions you can make. Correct? But that is not fair. But you have to understand, the person is a stranger over here, means he is coming from a different environment. So he has adapted the living style the way he is in that environment, correct? And we have adapted the living style as we are in a other environment. So though they are strangers, we all are actually same. Got it, kids? Okay, kids, we continue the remaining tomorrow. Till then, see you. Bye bye.